Yo, investing family, back at it like a crack addict. It's your favorite entrepreneur's favorite entrepreneur, your favorite investor's favorite investor, official Tyree Samuels. So back at it once again. Today we're actually going to be talking about how you guys can learn how to, be more colorful in the market. So if you guys don't know, when you're taking a trade on MetaTrader 4, it's two colors you're going to see. You're going to see red and you're going to see blue. The two colors we're going to be talking about today is going to be red and green, and I'm actually going to show you guys how you can start utilizing these colors to become more colorful in the market, to become more profitable in the market, to become more consistent in the market. Stay tuned for the next clip. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Yo, investing family, back at it once again. Your favorite entrepreneur's favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. So before y'all do anything else, make sure y'all go ahead and stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Go ahead and lightly tap that subscribe button, because like I always say, I want you guys to be the first to receive the notifications, because I'm going to be dropping a lot of value all throughout the rest of the year. Now, as I spoke about in the first clip, we're actually going to be talking about a way that you guys can be more colorful in the market, right? And unfortunately, if you're colorblind, I'm sorry for you. This is probably not the strategy for you. But if you are not colorblind and you can see vibrant colors effectively, this is going to be your one-stop shop. Now, what if I were to tell you guys that if you guys are able to identify colors, you'll be able to start identifying, great setups, consistent trading opportunities in the market on an everyday basis across all time frames, right? You'd probably be pretty excited. So the thing that I really want to be able to dive into is showing you guys this strategy, how to access it, how to take advantage of it, and what to be able to do in order to become self-sufficient. Now, the first thing that we always do, as you guys know, you always want to make sure you're going to log into im.center. Okay, so whenever you log into im.center, this is going to act as your headquarters to be able to, take advantage of all the info. So I'm actually going to go to where it says strategies, right? But before I do that, the first thing I personally want to be able to select is actually go live. Okay, the first thing I actually want to select is going to be go live. Now, what you want to do is you want to be able to go through the tutorial videos so you guys know exactly how to be able to use this. You don't want to take any shortcuts, right? Now, after you do that, you guys simply want to be able to scroll down, and you want to locate the channel that says colors. All right. Now, when I click on the channel that says colors, you guys are going to see it's an literally an overwhelming amount of sessions that Dr. Spiller is going to be having along with his team. So Dr. Spiller is a Chairman 100, has been trading for multiple years. As you see, he has 3 live trading sessions literally every single day, right? 8 a.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Eastern, same times every single day. So all you guys got to do is set an alarm clock and just make sure you show up to class on time. Yes, these are live trading sessions, so make sure you show up with your broker funded. Now, before we actually dive any deeper, I want to be able to show you guys where you're going to start off at. So where you guys actually want to start off at is you're going to want to click on where it says favorite sessions. Okay. You're going to want to click on where it says favorite sessions. You guys are going to want to make sure you go through all these videos. I'm gonna be honest with you, right? Start on colors section 1 and then work your way all the way up to section 3. Now, if you guys decide to skip any of these videos, that's going to be 100% on you. And if you not fully understand or comprehend the strategy, that is going to be something you're going to have to take upon yourself. Now, that is going to be go live, guys. Right. The next thing you want to do is come back to im.center. Then you want to be able to go to where it says strategies. Okay. Whenever you locate where it says strategies, it's going to bring you to the separate website. Now, on this website, you want to stick to the FRX Academy. And you're going to want to select where it says colors. Okay. Which is going to be right here. Now, I'm going to click on colors. And this is going to pop up the website. From here, it's about to get real saucy. So I'm going to need you guys to make sure, you grab some chicken nuggets, because I got all the barbecue sauce you're gonna need. That made no sense. That's neither here nor is it there. But what I'm gonna start diving into is I actually took the liberty of finding an example to be able to smoothly break down to you guys. All right. Let me see if I can find it again. All right, perfect. Okay. So this is gonna be how we're gonna break this down, right? Whenever we're looking at colors, I'm going to start from the basics and start working my way down. But remember, once you watch this video, please make sure you go to the favorite sessions for Dr. Spiller, because I can't help you if you think you're going to watch this video and it's going to be all you need to know, because it is not. Right now with colors, as I said, it's going to operate off of colors. So I'm going to double click to get rid of this stuff at the bottom so we can go over the basics. Right now, on the simplest level, right? On the most simple level, colors is going to operate like this, okay? If you see a red box, okay, you want to be looking for selling opportunities, all right? Anytime you see a red box, you want to be looking for selling opportunities, all right? So notice how this box, this box, this box, this box, this box is red. Every time I saw the market in this red box, as you guys can see that I'm circling, let me make that black. Every time I saw the market in this red box, okay, or in one of these red boxes, I would have been looking for an opportunity to sell it, okay? So if I see the market in a red box, what do I want to do? I want to sell it. Vice versa. If I ever see the market in a green box, what do you guys think I want to do? I want to buy it. Okay, so if we see the market in a red box, we want to sell it. If we see the market in a green box, we want to buy it. All right. Now that we've got that simple part out of the way, the next biggest thing that we really want to be able to focus on is if you do not have a box, you do not take a trade. So this is something that Dr. Spiller actually came up with. No box. All right. So I'm gonna break it down for you guys. So no box. No box, no trade. So if you guys know that if I see a red box, I want to sell it. And if I see a green box, I want to buy it. That means if you don't see any box, then you're not going to do anything. Okay. Red box, sell, green box, buy, no box. I just wait. Okay. I sit on my hands and I wait. Right. Now that we understand the most simple part, let's start diving into a little bit other stuff. Right. So with colors, you're still going to start matching up the color. So once you identify the color of the box, now you want everything to be that same color. So if you've identified a green box, meaning you want to buy it, that means you want all the other colors to still be green. If you've identified a red box and you want to sell it, you want all the rest of the colors to still be red. Okay. So this is how you start identifying this, right? So even though this market has already, hit the red box and sold off, at the time that this market was in this red box, what we wanted to see is at least 3 red circles over here. So I want you guys to pay attention to these 4 circles that you see are currently 3 green and 1 red. If we're looking at a red box, we want to have at least 3 red circles. I want you to write that down. At least 3 red circles for a red box, at least 3 green circles for a green box. Obviously, if you have all 4 colors being the same, that's even better. Now, the next step is this is going to be the currency strength meter. So notice how CHF is on the top and JPY is on the bottom. You want to be able to have CHF be stronger if you have a green box, meaning that number is going to be bigger than the number at the bottom. If you have a red box, you want the bottom pair to be stronger, meaning you'd want JPY to have a bigger number than the top. So remember, if you're looking to buy the market and you want it to be green, you want this top currency to have a bigger number than the bottom. If you're looking at all red and you want to sell, you want this bottom currency to have a bigger number than the top. Okay. So now that we're moving on along, because I know you guys are grasping this really quick, the next thing we're going to dive into is the details. So if you guys look right here where it says details, you can actually click on that. Now, I'm not going to do a crazy amount of diving into depth into this. That's why you guys want to make sure you go watch the favorite sessions. Okay. But these are going to be different shapes that you guys are going to actually see in this market. You see like the arrow, you see this little fractal looking thing, right? Vice versa, you can see the green ones. These shapes are going to be just as important. And guess what? If you've identified a green box and you want to buy it, you want to have green shapes. If you've identified a red box and you want to sell it, you want red shapes. So confirmation 1, confirmation 2, levels and trend line are what these shapes actually identify. So if we actually look, at the time that we had this red box, we could see we had one shape, which would have identified the level. And then we had another shape, which would have identified a trend line. Okay. So the next thing I want you guys to focus on is going to be the circles down here. Now, the 4 circles are confirmation of alignment with price, trend, volume, and volatility. Left to right. So that means from left to right, not right to left, from left to right, they're going to represent trend direction is going to be the first one. Trend timing is the second one. Trend volume is the third one. And then trend volatility is the fourth one. So they actually labeled it, right? Trend direction is number 1. Trend timing is number 2. Trend volume is number 3. Trend volatility is number 4. The biggest gem is anytime you see a yellow circle, there's no volatility, do not take the trade. So if I go see, can't find one on here. Let me go see if I could locate one on a different time frame. All right, perfect. So notice how US 30 is yellow. If I ever see one of these circles is yellow, I would automatically pass up that trade idea and not take it, okay? I'm gonna repeat that one more time. I would automatically pass it up and not take it. Now it's time to get into the juicy stuff, okay? So I'm actually about to do is walk you guys through an opportunity that has already happened, but this is what it would have looked like at the time that you took the trade, okay? So I'm now showing you guys what to look for. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to know when to enter. This is how you guys are gonna know when to enter. These are gonna be the first steps, okay? I want you guys to notice how we have green candles, yellow candles, and red candles. I want you to guess what color you think the candle is gonna be if we have a red box. Probably red, okay? So this is what we wanna see in order to be able to start looking for possible entries. We wanna be able to first start seeing red candles closing, okay? But most importantly, I don't know if you guys noticed that there's a line right here. This line is green. It's turning from green back to red, okay? Green, red, green, red. We want to be able to see this line turn red and then have a red candle close underneath it. If we wanted to look for a buying opportunity, that would mean that we'd want to see a green candle close above the green line, okay? So now that we can clearly see this was our first candle that closed below the red line, this could have been your initial opportunity to start looking for a possible short or sell. Now, what you're actually going to start doing is we're now going to start looking at the rest of these indicators at the bottom and see if they're all lining up the same color, which is red. If everything lines up the same color, then we don't think about it. We just take the trade. And that is going to be the beauty and how simple this strategy is going to be. So now you guys see the market hit the red box. We have a red candle closing below the red line. Now I can simply take a vertical line, line it up with the rest of these indicators, and I'm about to show you guys if we could have taken this trade. So this indicator, we want to have a red bar. If you guys see, if I delete this bar is clearly red, okay? On this indicator, I'm actually making it bigger. You guys can see, similar to the line that's above, we have a green line that goes from red to green. We want to be able to see this line red at the time we're looking to take that sell. So as you guys see, this line is red, okay? And then finally, you guys see these bars that represent momentum. I'm gonna give you guys a little extra sauce, right? I don't know if you guys can see that there is a blue and yellow line that is following these bars. Here's the yellow line, here's the blue line. You want to be able to wait until you get one of your bars of that color close above this yellow and blue line, and that's going to give you your indication of significant momentum swing. And needless to say, you see all of these red bars are showing us that the sellers are in control. And guys, just as quick as you came on this call, I've literally now shown you how to be able to actually go into the colors market, look at the time frame, see if there's a sell or a buy, and then how to know whenever you actually want to be able to get in and execute the trade. As far as take profits and stop losses and things of that nature, hey, you want to be able to make sure you go tap into the favorite sessions from Dr. Spiller. So if you guys enjoyed this video, what I want you to be able to do is I want you to be able to make sure you go subscribe to the channel and show your boy a little bit of love. On top of that, go like, go comment, go share this video with anybody who you know may be struggling in the market that wants to be able to use a tool that can help them start becoming consistently profitable. And finally, I'm gonna need you guys to make sure y'all go ahead and follow your boy on Instagram, official Tyree Samuels, and we are going to be dropping more videos this week. So I want you guys to be able to tap in and make sure that you guys are showing love, because the more love you show, the more content I'm gonna drop. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you wouldn't want to be a, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.